So guys, we are in Zermatt. Zermatt elevation is about 1600 meter and Matterhorn is about 4478 meters. So there is difference of 2.8 kilometers. So if you look for Matterhorn from here, you can see how big it appears and how beautiful this mountain is. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook or on my YouTube channel, you know I love mountains, and this was long overdue to come to Zermatt and basically look at this mountain. So today we will be basically going up to Matterhorn Glacier Paradise to look at the various mountains from top and also look at the glaciers. So that is the plan today. So we are almost getting ready and then maybe in few minutes we will leave. So enjoy the beautiful appearance of Matterhorn from here. Cheers. Walking through beautiful village. So that's where you get your gondolas from, but you have to buy tickets from the other side. So I'm gonna go and get the tickets. So friends, we have bought tickets for Matterhorn Glacier Paradise. It takes you up to 3883 meters, and with Swiss pass, adults are half price and kids go free under age of 14 or 15, something like that. Yeah. So let's enjoy. Look at the view behind us. It looks amazing. I think somebody was questioning how Switzerland can be so perfect, and I fully agree with it. It's too perfect. So friends, we have taken a break at Schwarzsee, and there is a black lake here. That's why it's called Schwarzsee. Enjoy the beautiful view of mountains here. So friends, I'm just sitting on a rock underneath Matterhorn. You can see Matterhorn behind me, and there is a small lake, and it's a beautiful place to actually spend some time here. So far everything is going fine, weather is fine, so let's hope we get really good window of weather for our 7 days in Switzerland. Love it here. I think highly recommended place to come. Oh friends, very tiring. So now we are taking gondolas again to go to the top. Let's go.
Regardez les enfants.
Regardez le barrage, regarde le glacier.
Alors là on est de la côte. Là,
We are in clouds now. Look at massive crevasses. Massive crevasses.
Même là sur cette
We are in clouds now.
Ah non, dans les nuages, un peu de
Ah non, pas les nuages maintenant.
The view is blocked.
On reste dedans et puis on fait le tour.
Alright. right, we are in there. Yeah. Get ready to get down. Bye bye. Tata. Fir milenge. You have learned quite a lot in 5 weeks, huh? Yeah. Less oxygen. See you. That was amazing. Amazing experience, guys. You should do Matterhorn Glacier Express if you are coming to Zermatt. It's beautiful. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Panoramic platform.
How about you rented your apartment or you bought?
Alright. So we are here. Wow, look at that. Beautiful view.
I know. No stress there.
Yeah. So that's Matterhorn, looking very small. And look at these clouds moving. Beautiful. And that's where the skiing is happening. Let's go.
Where did you get that from? Here? I made it.
Let's go up there. So we are walking in clouds in snow. This is where skiing takes place in the peak season. At the moment, no skiing is happening. You can see massive crevasses here. Beautiful panoramic of Alps mountain range. Alright, we are going to Crystal Ice Palace. So this is made of ice. So we are under the glacier. Do you know we are under the glacier? We are walking. Wow. Sorry. Look. See, this is a crevasse. So you can see up there. Wow. Wow, what have they made here? Oh, wow. Beautiful.
A man.
Yeah. Putting water.
Wait, what?
That's the water. Look at these. Beautiful.
Amazing.
Yeah, there is something over there as well. You want to do sledge? Come on, they are going. Look, you can go.
Where does it lead to?
I don't know. Is it fast?
No. You can go with this one, but it's very slow. Don't go. It's better like that. We tried.
Yeah, okay.
Can we go to
Where do we get down to?
On the other side.